This is your sign. You're not seeing this by chance. Your blessing is already in motion. Stay prepared, stay thankful, and keep pushing forward. Everything you've been praying for is aligning behind the scenes. Don't give up before it shows up. You didn't come this far to question the journey. Trust the process. Your moment is closer than you think. The version of you've been working on, they're already unfolding. Keep showing up. Delay doesn't mean denied. What's meant for you is still on schedule. You're not behind, you're being prepared. Elevation requires a strong foundation. This season is about becoming, not just receiving. Grow through it. Your glow up depends on it. Your name is being mentioned in rooms you haven't entered yet. Stay consistent. Favor is finding you. Everything you thought was a setback is setting the stage for something greater. Keep your faith loud. You don't need to force what's already yours. Walk like it's happening because it is.